Alright, so if you've understood what is multivariate and bivariate analytics, we wanted to take one step ahead and wanted to understand how this has been divided into machine learning. So machine learning has got different stuff. So if I just write, there are different parts of machine learning, right? Machine learning. So we already know that machine learning is divided into three parts, like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. And I wanted to talk about the different parts of this machine learning. So in machine learning, if you primarily divide machine learning into two parts, one is your supervised learning. So I'll just type in over here supervised learning, and then you divide this part over here, which is unsupervised learning. These two parts, supervised and unsupervised, has been divided further into different parts. For example, if you just go by supervised learning, you have something called as classification, and the second part is called regression. And in unsupervised learning, if you talk about, there are two parts. One part is called clustering, and the second part is called association. Right? So we're going to cover all these four parts, and we will talk about like what is falling where. Now the major which I wanted to start this learning of yours from this part, which is the like the common point between. So this regression is actually a statistical technique, right, which is again will take you give you a good understanding of statistical analysis as well as machine learning. So we'll talk about like what parts fall under like statistical technique and what parts under machine learning. So we'll start with this regression and we understand what is what, right? I hope it is clear for you, right? What is machine learning? So we have 2 points. One, we have like different kind of analytics, which is univariate analytics, bivariate analytics, and multivariate analytics. Then we have second point, which is machine learning. In machine learning we have supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is divided into two parts. One is classification and second one is regression. And in unsupervised learning we have two parts, which is clustering and association. So we wanted to start with regression first. So this is one thing which we wanted to understand. Then we'll go with this classification thing. Okay, so let's start with regression, and in the upcoming video we'll start these things from the very scratch. We'll talk about the things from the complete scratch, and we understand what is this regression all about. I'll see you in the next video. We'll talk more on regression. Stay tuned with me.